So, folks, for this week's Caribbean Check-In, we're zooming in with a young soca powerhouse. She's just 12 years old and already has the title of the 2025 National Junior Soca Monarch Champion under her belt. Joining us from St. Vincent and the Grenadines is the incredibly talented Alexia Deschamps. They call her Lexi. Good morning, Lexi. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you?
Oh, I am very well, give thanks. And thank you so much for asking. I was going to say now, when you were younger, but you're still younger. So when did you start your music career? Before we get to this outstanding achievement, when did you start your music career?
Okay, so this happened like 3 years ago when I was in grade 5. You know, I like music since like it's an everyday thing for me. I always play music, dance to it, you know. It just makes me feel happy. I just love music, but I started in grade 5.
So
that's when I wrote my first song.
Oh, you wrote your first song. Whoa. So where did this come from? Mommy, daddy, brother, sister, where did this come from? Did you see someone in the family doing this and you wanted to do it also?
Well, actually, it had this Wetty Beach challenge going on and I like the rhythm. So I just basically came up with a lot of words just came to my head. So I just wrote them down, you know, and I just decided to do it about book because of, you know, just want to keep it educational and children-wise.
Oh, beautiful. Can you remember the very first song you wrote? Remember what the lyrics said?
Yeah.
What was it?
It goes like, book, no cock up, no foot, no joke, no winding up like some muck. We stay focused like crook. Book. The only thing this girl free is to spit legs like a G. Education's the guy for me.
I love it. So did you put that? Did you put that on record? Or was that out there?
Well, it's not recorded yet. It hasn't been recorded. No.
Okay. So how many songs have you written?
I have 5 songs. No, well, 5 songs recorded and out.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And all of them are educational songs, as you said earlier?
Well, they're children-wise, not like... Well, I don't write for just children and still because a lot of adults likes my music and taps in, but it's age-appropriate for me.
Okay. You get any help writing these songs, or you just sit down and come up with the words?
Sometimes my manager will be like, he probably will have something and then he will say, see if you could come up with anything else to go with this. Or I could write something and say, do you have anything else to come up with this? That's, you know?
I love it. What song did you do to get you the Junior Soca Monarch Champion? What song was that one?
So that was Litty Litty. That was Litty Litty, yeah.
Litty Litty?
Yeah, that's what I won with also.
Give me some of it. Give me some of it.
Okay. Soon as I wake up, it's mass again. The place lit. We losing we self, we losing we brain. The place lit. We ready for the road, we ready for the stage, we ready for the jump up, it's time to misbehave. So light up everywhere, spotlight in the crowd. It's lights, camera, action now.
I see, I'm sure that's a Bob Marley picture behind you, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
having said that, you do only soca or you do other genres?
I do soca and calypso.
Oh, no reggae nor dancehall just yet?
But I really love reggae. I love reggae.
Are you going to do a reggae song sooner or later?
Yeah. I hope that one day that might happen soon.
Yeah. So how far you want to take this, Lexi? Because I suspect you still have school and all that. You do any sports at all? You do any sports?
Yeah. Well, I stopped playing football. I used to play football, but I gave up because somebody pushed me down. So I just didn't want to do it again. And I'm an athlete. So.
Well, you're a sprinter?
Yeah. Long distance is better, but I could do both.
So where you find time to go to school, to do athletics, to write songs, to perform? How difficult is that for you?
Actually, I have a timetable, so I will know like when to do things and how, when, where. So I have a timetable that I follow. That's how I know, what to do and those
Yeah.
stuff.
And when you look down the road, is this what you want to do, or this is just a little fun thing for you right now, and then you're going to turn
Well,
a lawyer or a doctor
I,
or something like that?
as long as God give me long life, yes, I will do this. I will do this. I will do this.
So this is what you want to do.
Yeah, and I also want to be a doctor.
All right. So talk me through that. You're going to be a singing doctor. You're going to be a doctor first and do this on the side. You're going to do the doctoring on the side and do this full time. What you
Okay,
want to
I'm
do?
going to be the doctor on this side.
You're going to do the doctor on the side?
Yeah.
I like that. Are you going to be a specific type of doctor that deals with the heart or the head, or just a what they call a general practitioner? What you want to do?
Well, the doctor that I want to be, I keep forgetting the name, but it's like the ones that deal with the babies, check the heart and the brain and those stuff. That
Yeah.
one.
Well, I don't, if I get it wrong, everybody will laugh
Oh,
after me. But I think it's a
pediatrician.
pediatrician. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I'm not so bright sometimes, but I think I did understand that one. A lot of Jamaicans are watching you right now. A lot of young people in Jamaica are watching you right now.
Mhm.
What would you
Thank
want
you.
what would you want to say to them about keeping focused and knowing what you want to do? You said you have a timetable. Talk
Yeah.
to them for me, please, and tell them what they need to do to be what you are doing and be successful at what they're
Okay.
doing.
So you just need to believe in yourself, and you could do anything what that you want to do. Just believe in yourself and put in the hard work. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what, you just need to believe in yourself. Once you put in the work, you should achieve whatever you want to do or
Oh,
be.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Finally, tell me something about St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Tell me why I should visit your country. What's nice about your country? Tell me something about your country.
The beaches are nice. We have great customer service over here, and also the music, like the soca music, you will fall in love with it. You know.
You should be an ambassador for the Ministry of Tourism. It is amazing to meet you. Congratulations on what you have
Thank
achieved so
you.
far. And I think next time we speak, you're going to be the Prime Minister who is a doctor, who is a soca monarch. Don't? That sound good, don't?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
It is our pleasure. God bless you and your family. All right? Stay safe and
Thank
continue
you.
to do what you're doing.
Yeah.
All right. I love you, Lexi. Take care.
Later.
Lexi Deschamps, young soca artist and junior soca monarch competition winner. I said this before. I have the greatest job in the world. I meet so many interesting people, so many wonderful people. I don't think I even work in my life. I just love doing this, and I thank God for this. That is it for the Caribbean check-in. Soca. After the break, we'll be discussing cricket West Indies. It's my team. It's my team. No matter what I want, it's my team. We soon come.
Soon as I wake up, it's mass again. The place lit, the place lit. We losing we self, we losing we brain. The place lit, the place lit. We ready for the